What's up, my people? Me here again, Chaz TV, right? And today I'm not by myself. Ella, come here. I'm with my little dog. She's on the bed. Come here. Let's say hi to YouTube. Hold on. Right. But I'm also with the fidget spinners, bruh. You know how 2017 these fidgets are. They're sick. Now look, one finger. I thought I'd show you them. Alright? Get them all out now. With the return way. I have some special ones that I might spin, I might not. Don't know, you must not. Right, first fidget is a orange one. It's like plastic. The middle spins. Just here you go. You can like see it turning like different ways. Like I think that's weird. Right, that's that fidget. Now, you know my club. I support United, so I got a United fidget. It's literally really good, you know. That's the end of that. Oh, this middle bit spins, but not as well as the other one. Now, here is my DIY one. I actually got this from Carmel. Middle don't spin, but you see better, but it lights up. Right. Can you see the lights? Right, and that's that. Right, now we have this black one. I don't really know the properness. Once I got a black one and it got cheese spilled all over it by my brother, but jeez. Look at that though. That black one. It's quick. Now we have a Batman fidget spinner. It's like a Batarang. It's a red one. And I don't think the top spins, but not as good. And this isn't a good like spinner. Right, there you go though. Like jerks about. Right, what's that? Oh yeah, we have a cube. Everyone says it's fidget cube, but I don't. Cause if you grab the two corners, it's red, and then you spin then you spin it. Fidget spinner cube, right? So now we can do the same with this and spin that, right? And then golden snakes from Harry Potter. Everyone knows snitches. It's actually really sharp, this, and this one has a little case to go in. Next, I got this one, Wales. And it's green and orange, so let's go. So fast. That's that. Now we have a Captain America fidget. No, it's broke. Guys, no, it's not alright. Right, this is not okay. Right, I just have to leave the Captain America one. Oh gosh, that is well broke. In this case, you have what's in there. But I'll show you. There's a golden one. Yeah, this fidget's good. It's just like gold. It has like little spinny things. Now, Pokeball. Oh my gosh, we used to from Pokemon Go. I mean, that's sick. It's like spinning Pokeball. Now there's a small orange one. For the reason this doesn't it doesn't like spin on like the floor. It just goes like that's me just spinning. So last but not least is Apple. The Apple one. It's like well fast. It's like faster than the others, I think. It's like all different colours as well. It's like rainbow. So, catch you guys later. Uploading tomorrow with my best friend. Or I might do it before school. Don't know. But that's all for tonight. Say bye to Ellie and say bye. Peace, YouTube. Love you guys. And smash that like button like you've never smashed anything before. Bye.